Am I just a family mistake?
You've always felt different from them, like you never truly belonged there. Family gatherings feel strangely uncomfortable. You sit among them feeling invisible. Their conversations never include your thoughts. Their dreams never match your vision. You see the world completely differently. They think you're strange for it, too sensitive for their liking, too ambitious for their comfort zone, too spiritual for their understanding. They mock what they can't comprehend. Your own blood misunderstands your heart. They label you the difficult one, the one who asks too many questions, the one who refuses to conform. You've tried so hard to fit. You've shrunk yourself to belong. But it never actually worked, because you were never like them. And that's not a bad thing. Let me tell you the truth. You're not the broken one here. You're the awakened one instead. Every family has generational patterns, cycles of pain passed down silently, addictions that travel through bloodlines, trauma that echoes through generations, limiting beliefs inherited without question. Most family members accept these chains. They wear them without even knowing. But you saw through the illusion. Something inside you resisted the pattern. You questioned what others just accepted. You refused to repeat their mistakes. That's why you feel so different. You're not cursed with being strange. You're blessed with spiritual awareness. You carry what they couldn't handle. A consciousness that breaks old chains. The black sheep isn't the problem. The black sheep is the solution. You were sent to shift everything, to end what should have ended, long before you were even born. You are a generational cycle breaker, chosen before you took first breath, marked to disrupt familiar dysfunction, anointed to heal ancestral wounds. The patterns stop with you now. The addiction ends at your feet. The poverty mindset dies here. The toxic relationships find no home. You are the transitional generation, the bridge between old and new. Your children will never understand your pain because you will have healed it. Your grandchildren will live in freedom because you chose to break free. This is your sacred assignment. It was never meant to feel easy. Cycle breakers walk a lonely path. They carry weight others won't understand. But heaven sees every quiet battle, every tear you've cried in silence, every time you chose differently, every boundary you bravely set. You are doing holy work here, work that echoes through future generations. Don't let their rejection discourage you. Their misunderstanding proves your assignment. If they all understood your calling, you probably wouldn't be chosen. The black sheep becomes the shepherd. The rejected one leads the way. Your difference is your divine purpose. Your isolation created your unique strength. Keep healing what hurt you deeply. Keep breaking what once broke them. Keep building what they never could. Your bloodline needed someone like you, someone brave enough to be different. That someone has always been you. The black sheep will change everything, and that black sheep is you.